you want to look at this as, am I going long for a reason? Sure. I'm going long for a reason if it crosses above. It gave you that reason right there. And as soon as that didn't materialize, you went short right away, right? So have a reason to go long or short. So Wouter, to answer your question, how many trades do we have a day? It hit the Atlas line, bounced off it, just like resistance, swung right back down, right? It's a little late in the day, 3:30, 4 o'clock. Normally, I'm done trading. I don't want to be in and get stuck like that, right? I don't want to go into a trade so late in the day and get stuck, right? So that was yesterday, right? And let's take a look at the day before. Day before, here's the Atlas line. Now I'm going to ask you something. This was on July 27, right? Do you guys see any reason to take a long trade here, realistically? No, right? So if you guys try to go long, you would not know where to go long. But yet I know to go long if it crosses back above. So when I tell you take scalping trades every time it pulls back, look, it pulled back, came back down, go short. Pulled back, came back down, go short. Go short because I'm below the Atlas line. And you guys can see that going long, nothing happened the entire day, right? July 27th. So in using this, it's really a tool that first tells you I'm going short because it crosses below or crosses above, and I'm going short again on each time it pulls back a little bit, take a scalp on it, right? That makes any sense to you guys? And if it doesn't, please, I'll explain it a little bit better. All right. All right. So now, could this be the low of the day, right? Am I going to hit it long yet? No, not yet. This could have been the low of the day, right? And yet what happened? It penetrated down, further down, right? So, great. So I see a lot of people took that 1106 quarter. Most of you took the 1106. Some of you caught the 1109. All good. I'm trying to pull up a Euro chart here, and my data feed here on the server is because I want to show you a Euro chart. See that? I'm trying to pull it up, but it is frozen, guys, and I don't want to shut down and restart it. Let's take a look here. Let's see. Right there. So it's giving me a hard time. I want to show you as many markets as I can. Maybe I'll just open up a new chart and try to plop it on. All right. Questions, guys? Very good. Very good. Okay. So I see some of you are holding the trade, right? I want to ask you that if you have an opportunity to take profit, take profit. All right. There was about 10 of you here in the room that are still holding it by what I'm seeing here, and I want to advise you that I don't want you to lose money on the trade, right? So if you took half of your position off and you let the other one run, we're coming back to 1106 quarter, right? Let's be and manage the trade. Let's get out. So I see about 10, 12 guys and gals, right, in the room here are short, still short. Didn't take the 2, 3 points there that it came up that we got. Trying to go for 4 or 5. Can't do that, guys. All right, take your two points and get out. Nick says, do you use the euro as a N intraday forward warning system? Nick, I like to have just one. I'm going to try to pull up the euro. Let me just hold on a second. I like to have one chart when I trade. I've had in at the firm we had the whole board of just charts and monitors, and you know, unless you're wired to look at that, it's a different story. But those days are gone. I want to take a look at one chart. I teach in my mentorship program price action. One chart, multiple methods, not multiple time frames, just multiple methods. That's all you need. You don't need more than that. And um, as an example, everybody here in the room, there are about 150 people here. Only about 20 or 30 took a couple of trades. Now, I'm asking you a question now. After we had two successful trades, right? You took 2 points, you took probably another 2 points or a point and a half. You're up 3.5 points or 3 points, or even if you're up 2 points for the day. Realistically, do we want to continue entering the market and risking ourselves, or should we just say, consistency is key? Tomorrow, it's another 2, 3, 4 points, right? That is the way that traders continue to be profitable for the long haul. Okay. All right, guys. So we've had here two consecutive trades that were winners. I'm trying to pull up a chart here. Give me one sec. All right. All right, Mike D. Can we pay for the Atlas line on monthly payments instead of paying it for it all at once? Uh, no. Okay. There's two choices. It's lifetime license or it's 6 months. All right, Mike. You're welcome, Mike. Yes, Nick, I do. Nick has a great question. Where do you put your stop? Do you have a set daily dollar amount of profit per contract per day? Absolutely. Absolutely. I want to say to you that going for 10-point trades every single day, you're going to really be inconsistent with what you do. So my goal is to make 3 to 4 points every single day, and I want to do that by 3 or 4 trades. Okay? No more than that. Again, is there a reason to go long what you're seeing here, guys? Oh, no, right? There's no reason to go long. So traders who try to pick bottoms and tops, instead of having a good reference point to go long or short, I think you'd be better off, right? I see here about 10 of you uh, entered again on 11:06 quarter, re-entering trades. It's fine. You can do that. You can absolutely do that. All right. If you took the trade again after you made your profit, um, here it is again, right? I wouldn't do it more than twice, though. All right, guys. Those of you in the room, all right? All right, Vern. All right, very good. Very, very good. Very good. Very good. I'm trying to pull up a couple other charts, guys, and it's not allowing me to. Believe it or not. I want to show you the DAX. It's not coming up. I want to show you the Japanese yen.